Oh, sorry, we're starting on Spot Bronson. And the way we do this is we go ahead and we set up our first pickup stick, which you see right here. And what I did is I put the Heddle in the down shed, and I go ahead and put in our pickup 4 threads up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down, and I repeat till the end. And that is going to be pickup stick B. Now, I've already started a little bit, and now I'm going to insert pickup stick A. So whenever I'm using pickup stick A, I'm going to offset the pattern. So I want it in the down shed like I currently have. And I'm going to do 1 up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down, and I only have 3 left over, but 4 up. So you basically repeat the pattern and you've offset it slightly. So as you can see, it now no longer completely lines up with the above pattern. I'm going to push that pickup stick back. Now this is the actual start of the pattern. So we go into the up shed, we do 1 pass, go ahead and beat down. Oop, sorry. Go into the neutral position. I'm going to take this pickup stick and turn it flat against my Heddle, which if you've watched my first steps to pickup sticks, you've seen how that looks. We're going to go ahead and pass through. Put that down, back, beat down, up to the our first position, which is Heddle up, pass through again, beat down, neutral position, turn the stick, oops, sorry, pass through, go ahead and beat down, oop, nice and gentle, up position, pass through, beat down, down shed, pass through, beat down, and now we are starting the second part of the pattern. So we are going to remove pickup stick A and go back to what we have in the back here, which is pickup stick B. Make sure you can see that, which again we have 4 up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down, and we set this up when we were in the down shed. So don't forget that. We set it up while in the down shed. Because your only free threads are actually the ones in the slots, not the ones in the holes. So we're not messing with those. Let's start the pattern now. We're going to go to the up shed, pass through, place the stick, slide forward into the turn the stick, pass through, stick back, beat down, up, beat down, neutral, and turn. So I'm actually just using a shuttle stick as my second to pickup stick because I just don't have 2 small ones. But obviously, if you have 2 small ones, go ahead and use them. Or if you only have 1, you'll just have to remove it and adjust it between each. It just saves a little time, but it's all good. go to the up shed, beat down, and down shed. So that is the pattern. After that, we'll just repeat. So again, in the down shed, we're going to go ahead and offset. We're going to do 1 up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down, and we only have 3 at the end again. Now at this point, we just repeat the pattern. So what we have here today is the Bronson spot pattern. So this is another great pickup stick pattern that I absolutely love. You can kind of see how we have the floats here, and it creates almost a triangle. And on the other side, with the lighting, it might actually be able to see the floats, instead of going horizontally, go vertically, and it creates the same pattern. And you do have this absolutely lovely, lovely design. I absolutely love the Bronson spot. I think it's great. A lot of people use it for a texture design, and they use the same color for both. For this tutorial, we are not, just so you can actually see the design and you can see what I'm doing more clearly. So go ahead, like, subscribe, share with your friends.